Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Sonata cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task is crucial for ensuring fresh, clean air inside your vehicle. A clean filter effectively traps dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, significantly improving air quality. It also helps your heating and air conditioning system operate more efficiently. You will primarily need a new cabin air filter for this job. As most models require no specialized tools, let's get started with the first step. To begin, open your Hyundai Sonata's glove box on the passenger side. You'll find a small damper arm on the right side. Gently disconnect it. Next, locate the two plastic stopper pins, one on each side of the glove box opening. Twist these pins counterclockwise to release and remove them. With the damper arm and stoppers out, the glove box will now swing down completely, giving you clear access to the cabin air filter housing located directly behind it. Now that the glove box is lowered, you will see the rectangular filter housing. This housing typically has two clips, one on each side. Pinch these tabs to release the cover and carefully pull it away. With the cover removed, you can now slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. The new filter must be installed with its arrow pointing downwards to ensure proper filtration. Gently slide the new filter into the slot. With the new filter in place, reattach the filter housing cover, making sure both clips snap securely. Next, carefully lift the glove box back up. Reinsert the two plastic stopper pins into their openings and twist them clockwise until they are firmly locked. Finally, reconnect the damper arm to the right side of the glove box. Close the glove box, and you are all done. It is recommended to replace your cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or once a year.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.